How you can activate HBB on your Panasonic TV, what exactly is it, as always after the intro. We have a Panasonic TV here and want to show you how you can activate HBB. What exactly is HBB? HBB is nothing more than the media library. You can watch shows, documentaries and much more here. In other words, if you missed a show, you can watch it here with this function. And that's very easy. You can activate it conveniently in the menu. To do this, you just have to press the menu button. Then to the main menu. And at this point here, Setup, there is a point when you scroll to the right. This then means Data Service Application HbbTV. Confirm with OK here. And now you have the option to delete a start permission here. This means that it is no longer started automatically. And you can set the data protection settings from low, high or user defined. That means which data are allowed to access and which are not. But to activate that, click here on Service. And here you can now see all the transmitters that support this and whether they have auto start or not. With the arrow keys you can manually or on the exhibit. Of course, you also have the color keys here, i.e. with green all on or with yellow all off. At the same time, you have the option to reset all manual start with blue. And we will now activate the whole thing here. It is already activated, but we will show you how the whole thing looks with a transmitter that supports it. And that's what the whole thing would look like. So here you have it at the top right to the TV, play, green media library. And if I now press the green button, you can see what is available here. From series, from films, documentaries and much more. We can look at all of this here and can even look at the whole thing alphabetically. And down here you have the transmitters that support it. Assuming, for example, on this one, if we go here, then we would see the content of this transmitter here. A great function. As I said, if you missed a broadcast, you can still catch up with the whole thing. If you have any questions, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. Technik Bausak, thanks for watching and goodbye.